Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hey, everyone. Hope I am audible. Hope people can hear me. We answered 33 questions in the chat yesterday's live stream. Just to put a comment on the live stream itself. Ah, One more thing I have decided to do in this live is uh, I'll make sure the chat is also visible on the screen so that everyone knows which question I'm answering. But to do that, I'll just mute this thing and I'll stop this. I think the chat will still be following, right? Even if you stop the video. That's how it is. To test it, if anyone is listening, feel free to put a comment. I just lost my Sai Sidhu. No, sir, I'll not be solving any of the problem, bro. Which problem you had mentioned? You had mentioned 3624, right? Yes. Very hard, bro. Not be solving hard problems. I can barely solve myself. Then solving it in a Hello, Vikram. Hello. Hello, bro. I thought I'll take up some questions in the early half, but I don't see anyone joining the stream, so probably I'll start solving the problem itself then. Vikram Singh, no. I'm good with software engineer. What do you mean by shifting to AI field? Like AI engineer? No, no, no. The software engineer do use AI and do work with AI, do leverage AI. Just do it, bro. Just do it. Okay, we'll wait for 5 more minutes. We'll see if there is good audience or no. In any case, then I'll start solving the problems then. So the loud PRXTTTE. So the pace that you should solve DSA problem should be very fast now, bro. Because ideally DSA is something that should be done in college. But as per your comment, it means that you have already passed out, but that's okay. Nothing to worry about that. So this is the pace that I would recommend you. So try to solve 300 problems within couple of months. 2 months should be good enough. And watch this video thoroughly. Do everything. that I've said in this video that should be good enough to take you forward. If anyone is new to the stream, watching the stream, don't forget to hit this like button, guys. It kind of helps the channel. Our target is to hit 100 likes today. Let's see if we can hit that. No, bro. If I would have done CP, I would have been really good. Indefinite time period? Indefinite, how does indefinite? Okay, okay, that makes sense, but still you should join any company, bro. So they did they revoke your offer or what? If anyone is new to the stream, please don't forget to hit this like button, guys. It helps. The target that I've set is 100 likes. Let's see if I'm able to hit it or not. Cool, I think it's less audience today, so we'll get started probably. I'll do two different company. Okay, that's too bad, bro. But yeah, keep doing DSA and dev and then keep applying because you are already a pass out, right? So you really need to have a job now. But don't take stress. That shouldn't mean that you should start taking stress. Final year grad, please guide. You should know DSA, bro. DSA in and out. Just watch this video for more depth in detail. Just watch this video. Probably spend 10 minutes. You should participate in lead code contest. That is very important. As much as I stress less on it, it is really important. Bro, GSoC is for people who are in college. Bro, GSoC is it for people who are in college, bro. You have already passed out, right? Loud PRTXT. Marco Rama, Bhaiya, I saw you on top mate. Is it legit if I pay to book? Yes, it is legit, bro. But if you don't have like questions for half an hour or 15 minutes, you can probably book a 15-minute slot. But now everyone is eligible. how good you are at open source. So generally, people who have read the projects which are available in open source, I think those are. But you should watch a video, bro, on GSoC. I am not. I have never done GSoC, so I am not the best person to answer that. Not even. I don't think so. Like either, like one of my friend did it. So they did research about the open source project and then they started contributing to it before GSoC itself. So unable to manage DSA, the fundamental you have to manage, bro. Take step by step. Think of it like you had 4 years to do this. Now you're trying to do everything in 1 month. And also to answer your question, Himak, you can see the testimonials from other on top mid, right? It's not something that I have put myself. So you'll see testimonials from others. Is it okay if I do DS in Java, I download and only know this? Yes, it is okay. Most of the companies don't have barrier on any language, but generally I do suggest Java, Python, or C++. Bro, can go share DSA sheet. I didn't get your question, bro. I don't have any my DSA sheet. I feel like you can use this sheet. This is really good. Just use this. Is anyone watching the cricket? Bro, recursion, you try typing out once, bro. Like, start drawing the tree and then you will eventually understand. Start drawing the tree is a easy topic. And like you can solve all of these tree problems. And what tree maximum that tree, it's like sounds good, brother. You should at least spend 2 good years. But if you are in a hurry, you should, I would say, try to solve this lead in 2 to 3 months. It is something that would recommend a lot for nature enterprises. And for detailed information, you can just watch this video. Yeah, I don't see guys much of an audience, so I'll start silent coding and then Q&A will I'll do at 11:30 p.m. You guys can put the questions in the chat, Ritesh, Bore, and Poor. Anyway, there are not many questions, so I'll be taking that. Bhavesh Visani, yes, iterative approach is good enough, bro. Iterative with memoization, that's good enough. Bro, I myself I am not candidate master on code forces. How can I tell? But I know one way is that you solve problems of that rating. So there is a CP ladder, right? So CP ladder, code forces ladder. So you solve this problem. So candidate master is somewhere around 2000, is it? 1900, I think. So that means that you should be able to solve these problems 90% of the time and all the problems below it. To do that, it's going to be very tough. But don't give up. Riddle is yes, aptitude is necessary. PRP, let me know how it goes, okay? Which year you are in? Are you in college or what? Yes, yes, Bhavesh Viswani, that's what I told. Then you are in which year in college? I hope you already have some internships. You are doing some internships. If you are expert, you should have some internships also. Yes, riddle is you should, but do more questions, bro. No, I don't cause of college. You should do in summertime, bro. Which year you are in? First year, second year, third year, fourth year. Which year? You can get a remote internship, brother. Work at night. It will be good for your resume. Expert is good enough to crack any of the interviews out there. Not any. If you need to go into rubric or companies like that, then you need to be a candidate master. But if you're already an expert, don't just chase candidate master. Third year, then you should have done internship in your this year, right? This is good time for you to apply for internships. Apply in companies like Uber, Google, and all, so that by the start of your fourth year, they'll give you an internship. That's what my friends are doing from IIT, NIT, Triple IT, all of these. Mock interviews. Bhavesh Vaswani, mock interviews answer to your question. Do mock interviews with your friends. With practice, it will eventually come. Just a reminder, guys, don't forget to hit this like button if you're new to the stream. I don't have my regular audience, I think, today. It's Thursday. Maybe they are occupied with work or something. Let's see. I think all the messages are in chat are from new users only. Oh, cool, cool. So I was just thinking if I do 1, 2, 1, 10 and 2, 3, this I will take 1 and the next I can take 2 and then here but if let's say this is the condition, 2, in this I can take 3 also. So my sorting will not work. What is the in this Meyer sorting will not work because this is 1, 2 and 1, 10. If we sort it, it is not gonna work like that. So if anyone is wondering in the chat, I'll take a look at the chat at 11:30 p.m. For a given array of events where events, what, what are we gonna do here? Any hint? Uh, for first, I have two options for does it make sense to sort them based on the positions, but then also how we will decide which one to pick. So if we see here 1 and 2, is it a tree map question? Looks like that. So let's say for this I draw a number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1 I do plus. So this will be 1, 1. Let me do it in paper. So I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is my list. Let's say 1, I'll do plus 1 here and then minus 1 here. That is for 1, comma 2. For 1, comma 10, I'll do plus 1 here and minus 1 at 11. And then for 2, comma 2, I'll do plus 1 here and minus 1 here. So what it will be? Plus 1, this will be plus 2, this will be plus 3, and then this will be plus minus plus 1, and then plus way all the, and then minus 1. So now I know that 2 is coming in 3, and 1 is coming in 1, and 3, 4, 5 is also coming in 1. It's not helping in some way. Yeah, it's a tricky one. Mhm. Okay. You can attend any event I where you can only attend one event at any time. Remap solution is also not going to work. For this, it will be plus 2, plus 3, plus 1. You can go all the way to the left or the right. It's not going to help you in any way. No help it will give. You will still be stuck with that only. What else we can do? We cannot do tree map. We cannot do merge interval technique. What else? Uh, that I did, Nilesh Chaudhary already. So expand the list, count repeating number that I did. So if we do that for the verb example, will be ending up with plus 2. That is because 1 is coming in plus 2, and then will be plus 3, plus 1, and then plus 1 all the way till 11. But now what does that help? We know that 2 is coming in all of these. So we need to probably pick 2 from one that has all the numbers, right? So we can get rid of 2 from that. Damn it. If anyone is wondering, this problem is 2000 rated. So this is like, that's what I'm doing. I'm kind of now up solving, challenging myself. But this is too challenging, bro. Okay. Any hints in the chat who have been following this from 10 last 10, 15 minutes? Give a small hint, okay? Don't reveal the whole problem or the whole solution if you have solved. Hmm. What is that? What we could do? Astik Gupta, Nilesh Chaudhary, what are we doing? So I generally bro take Q&A and then either do LLD, HLD or things like that. And that's what I do. Uh, Mostly I'm doing Q&A. So far in this stream I have answered 7 questions. And if you ask why I do Q&A, then this is the reason I do Q&A. No riddle is you are not cooked, bro. Why you are taking so? Have you done DSA? DSA is gonna get you internship. Aditya Raj, first we can check if there are any duplicates, and we can handle 2 duplicates. I didn't get your point, bro. Nilesh Chaudhary, I think you added 4, which we don't want. Where did I add 4? No, no, I'm just saying that if we do a tree map range of this in 1 to 10, every number, every day is coming 1. So these are the days. 1 is coming plus 2 times, 2 is coming plus 3 times, and then 3 is coming only 1 time because 3 is only in this. That is very less, Aditya. Riz, very less. You should solve more and then take part in contest. So I will give up at 11:30. We'll spend 12 more minutes. So I think you added 4, which we don't want. Why do we don't want 4? I am taking this example, guys. I'm not looking at example 1. So one event is 1 to 2, one event. Here also you can choose 4. It's okay. You can do it 1, 2, and then 4. You can do 1, 2, 3. In an array given data, what is that, bro? In an array given data. Repeating number are overlapped. Yes, in this repeating number are overlapped. I didn't even see 2 is coming in 3. But in this only 2 is coming. So you should only go to 2 for this event. Bro, Nilesh Chaudhary, don't type in one line, bro. Put the whole para together. Repeat number are overlapped. We count which are not. What will that do? There could be overlap, right? 1, 2, 2, and then 3. So you are saying that 1, 2, 3. Bro, either you can put both of them together, right? So whoever has an idea, right, try running their solution and then let me know, okay? Meanwhile, I'll think. You guys can run your solution and see if it is passing or if it is not passing. One, two, two, three, three, four, one, two. Aditya Raj, will your solution work for this? Then you let me know. This is example 3. Example 3. Will it work for this? Let me know that. Whatever your solution you're thinking. Sure, bro. Meanwhile, you check one thing is clear that we can sort these, right? That is a merge. That is always useful when you have merge things. This is a easy test case. You pick one from here and then you see this is overlapping, then you'll pick two. Then you see this is overlapping, and then you'll pick three. Then you see this is overlapping, then you'll pick four. That is why the answer of this is four. So you'll go here on one, you'll go here on two, you'll go here on three, you'll go here on four. These are your days. Always start the first element. But if I start here one and then here, then I have left with two. That's the next best I can pick, right? Now here one and two, one I cannot pick. You can pick anything from 2 to 10. So let's say pick 2, then you went to 3. So 3 is greater than now end of this. So you are not left with any of the number. So here you will say answer is 2. But the answer should be 3. So there is something missing in this. This and this. Some caveat is there. Now what is that caveat is the question. How it will work, bro? Okay, now let me first we can check if there are any duplicates. We can handle two duplicates in array given date. No, bro, I am not able to understand. If you can put it in one paragraph, that would be good. And as much as you can. If I go here, right, I'll try to attend it on one. And then the best I can do is on two. I go here, I can try to attend it on two. Then the best I can do is I can attend this on the last. Basically, if I can figure out, I'm not understanding your point, Aditya. In this will be your sorting order. How will you decide that you don't have to take two in here, you have to take three? That is my question. But yeah, you can leave it. Let's see. Your earlier end time, that makes sense. Okay. Maximum day will be 10, and days are sorted based on their difference. So this will first come in, and then you are going to try for each day from 1 to days less than end and even. I think it is the time to take a look at the solution, but I'll take up some questions now. Hello, Bhay. I recently graduated and offer, but joining is not coming. I have decent knowledge in data structure. You should apply to more companies, Nilesh. Ambikesh Mishra, hello. Aditya Raj, if you are able to solve this question, just paste your solution in this. I'll try running it to see whether it is working. But I don't think so it will work because I didn't really understand what you were saying. Yeah, I think min heap is the union find. Nilesh, out of your city, bro, then you should move, bro. Out of your city, dev rules. Do you want to stay in your city? I stay in Hyderabad, but I'm not from Hyderabad. So, again, just a request, guys, to everyone that don't forget to hit this like button if you find this stream helpful. I'll take questions till 12. Then we'll solve that question. Saurabh Kapade, it's not, it is sorting and then greedy, but how do you do greedy? Sorting part I understood, but that greedy part requires many. I was just looking at the tutorial. What is your intuition? Let me know in chat. One that is finishing early. Priority queue. I could not think of priority queue, bro. This question also uses priority queue. Damn it. Priority queue, tree map, all of these things are important. Which contest was this in? This should be a third problem. 1353. Okay, everything. Yeah, question 3 in weekly contest. Nilesh Chaudhary, bro, depends which which level, like SD1, SD2. If you're SD2, then your LLD, HLD, DSA, everything should be solid. If you're SD1, then HLD is not required. LLD and DSA. SD2, then yes. You need to know LLD, HLD, DSA, everything. Everything is required. Just you can go through this. Bro, data science, not sure. Data science, I don't think DSA is required in data science. That's my personal opinion, bro. I cannot solve lead code problem. I also cannot solve. It all depends on which problem you are trying to solve. I will go through them. Yes. You can watch this video Nilesh Chaudhary once. This has most of the things. Bro, you should always pick problems that are within your level, right? So don't just for this problem is 2000 rated. This is little bit outside my level. But as you eventually want to grow the level, then you have to kind of put your brain in this. Now, Saurabh is saying that sorting we have already done, and then you're saying that priority queue. No, priority queue you will not put in starting queue. You priority queue you'll have to put in based on which ends early. So which has the shortest duration. That's what I was missing. And I don't think anyone has put that comment. So you have to put in priority queue based on the shortest duration. The event that has it. So in this case, that's the problem, right? If you put in priority queue, so you said that or put events in priority queue starting device. No, no, you will not put events in starting device because if you put events in starting device, you will pick 1, 2 first. You should pick 2, 2 first. That's the whole thing. You should pick 10, 10 first. Okay, so that makes sense. No, bro. No, 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 no. Saurabh Kupade, I don't understand why you guys are not giving the complete dry run. Give the dry run of this, how this will look. So if you're putting in start 1, 2, then you will do 1, 2 on one day. That's the right? So I understand you solved the question. But what you will do? 1, 2, 1, 10, 2, 2. Or you paste your solution in the chat. Maybe I'm not understanding your point. I'm waiting for your solution, Saurabh Kubade, or otherwise I'll solve with the one that I can understand. But in that, I'll be sorting in priority queue based on the difference. Based on the difference or based on the starting point? Again, I'm confused now. Mhm. Yeah, in priority queue, we need to put it by end date. Yes, no, it will not be start date. Parthiv Patel, you need practice, bro. All the events. Saurabh Kade, you said you have solved the question. You didn't share the solution. You're not able to share the solution, or is like there is a time limit in it code. You can just answer in the YouTube stream chat. Yeah, I think. So I need to take the one that is finishing early. Makes sense. So I'll sort it by ending time. You can share on draw some code pad link, bro, like this. But yeah, I'll solve using the approach where I'll take uh, in priority you will take in a descending manner, but I do want to take a look at your solution. But yeah, this now you are saying put the runtime in priority queue. Earlier you were saying we will we will set the starting day only. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm going to do. See, this is your comment. This is your comment. No, in priority queue, we will set starting day only. No, in priority queue, it will be ending day. That is what I was saying. Aditya Raj, now you're mentioning heap, bro. Earlier there you did not mention heap anywhere. Yes, yes. Earlier you were not mentioning anything about the heap. Yes, yes, that's what I was saying, Gaurav. Now I got the idea. So basically you'll take the one that is, but it is good problem, I will say. Now you have a start date is your one and your end day is 10 raised to power 5, or you can also calculate end day is equal to 1. Yeah, bro, could not figure it out. So I need to practice more. I think it is because of lack of practice. But yes, so end day is equal to max day and then your event of day, right? No fire, bro. That's Saurabh Kapade, but fire, bro. Lacking strength, lacking. Let's see what are the similar problems and then we'll tackle that. Similar questions. How much rating is this? This one is what rating? 173. This is also good one. Let's see. I think this is one that. Hello, Akash John. Hello. I'll take a break, guys, if anyone has question. Oh, actually, I was solving the problem on this tab, is it? Damn it. Should have been solving. Good, bro, good. That's a nice question. I thought if anyone had any doubts or anything. But yeah, anyway, I come live almost every day, right? So not every day people can have questions. That's true. But still, the aim is if anyone new is joining the stream, probably they'll have some questions. So I can help them in some way. This live is going to be big because I slept in the evening, so I'll be live till 1 or 2. Gadgets, what do you mean by low? How much low? Is it like 4 or 5 CGPA? How much low? Some companies don't really matter, bro. What is good technique that become guardian on lead code? That is good technique. If you're guardian on lead code, there is a good chance that good engineering manager might ignore your this and that, right? Because you'll have really good DSA. So the CGP is 2. Bro, I suggest this sheet. So Saurav Kupade, you are in second year. You should start applying now only, bro. Apply to all the other companies also. Gadgets here, I don't really understand 2 out of 4 how much it becomes. Because I am from India, we have 10 out of, we have like CGP out of 10. MCF was Master of Okay, okay. Bro, you should start applying. Yeah, you already have bachelor's, right? Start applying, start applying. To all the company, not don't target just one company. Apply to all the companies. What is your lead code handle? Saurav Kupade. Gadgets here, like you can become good in DSA and then mostly most of the managers will ignore your thing. So in this, you can attend only one. In this, you can only one attend one event. So one, two, four, three, four. So basically, one thing is that you can sort it and then pick K. What are the? Try to see if anyone can give you referral, bro. I am out of referrals. If you go with referral, then you might have little bit more chances. Like you can ping people on LinkedIn and they'll give you referral. Uh, just a reminder, guys, if anyone is watching, feel free to click on this like. I think there are not two likes. Some people have liked. So why I'm asking is because I don't really promote the channel anywhere else. So if you like this, there are chances that it will go to some more people who are new to the channel, right? That's the only. So if anyone who is coming in new, don't forget to hit the like. We'll start the question. Dev Patel Gujjar. Bro, this question I think is hard for me also. So I'll try my. I was not able to solve this medium version of this. So I don't expect myself to solve this one also. That's the hope. DSA, Punisher. No, bro, Dev Patel, no fun in doing the easy ones. Need to do this one only. So you are an array of events, start day and end day. And, like one easier version is that you can just make sure you know the end day, and then that's the easier version. So you'll only need two parameters, end day and k, right? But then end day and k, these are two parameters, so it becomes n square dp. So n square dp will not be solved, but k star events length value is 10 raised to power 6. K star events length is 10 raised to power 6. Events length. And you need I also. Bro, I forgot I. You need I also. So what I have as of now on my hand is n cube solution. So we need to move this n cube. So because this 2 they are saying that is 10 raised to power 6. So and n day is also 10 raised to power 6. Somehow if we can. Yeah, Saurabh Kumar, this is DP only. This I and day and K, this is DP only. I'm trying to reduce the parameter. As of now, there are three parameters, right? If we can somehow reduce this to two, then it is good. So you have solved this one also, Saurabh Kumar. Hmm. Okay. So see, one way that I'm thinking is that you can sort all of these based on their starting time. And let's say now I've sorted this, right? So my order will be sorting is okay. Sorting is n log n. So 1, 2, that those are my order, right? 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Okay. Now I can pick this 1, 2 and then say that I have to start from 3 now. So this is 2, I cannot pick this. So this I can pick. What is the, this will give me 4 and this will give me 2, 3, it will give me 1 and this will give me 3. So that is the answer, 4 and 3. But in this we have three parameters. We have K, we have I and we have ND. So somehow if I can get rid of ND, right, then that's a win. But how do I get rid of ND? That's a problem. Oh, note that you cannot attend. अरे सौरभ को पढ़े खत्म कर दिया भाई क्वेश्चन तुमने बाइनरी सर्च बोल के don't look at the topic tags too early bro at least spend 1 hour like 45 minutes to 1 hour should be good but I'm not thinking what do we do 413 413 I and A and K so DP needs three parameters but this with this three will not work out. So in this, you can pick anything. Yes, you can pick only three, so you'll pick up this. That is that DP will handle. But how do I get rid of the parameters? At 12:30, I will take hint one. What is 815? Is it in this similar? No, bro, I think we should do all of these, bro. Then only we will learn. See, we should do these problems. 2402. Anyway, don't expect me to teach you guys. I am myself, I have not solved. If you see, right, you see from last 3 months, May, June, July. It's been 3 months that I have not consistently solved. So that's what happens. If you don't solve regularly, the your intuition will be disturbed. Yeah, it's been 3 months. No, 3 months or 2 months. Yeah, 3 months. But this question is good. At least I and K you are able to think 413. DSA design and interviews. That sounds like a good way. Any way of just reducing the DP parameters? Saurabh, anything coming to your mind? Saurabh Kapade, Aditya, you are listening. Anything coming to your mind? Hi, I am Namra, pursuing BTech third year. No, bro, your CJP is less. 6.6 out of 10 is less. You should at least make it 7.5, at least. Saurabh Kapade trying. You are also trying to reduce the DP parameters, or what are you trying to do? Are you trying to reduce the DP parameters? Aditya, learning is not going on, bro. You can ask some doubts, or I would suggest pick a problem and then solve along the side. The constraints are tight, that's why it is a hard problem. Constraints are tight. So if we regularly do this for, let's say, another 3 or 4 months, probably I can become guardian on lead code then. Probably. And that would be like live practice, then everyone would know what is the roadmap. This is the roadmap. You make your brain think. Yeah, we'll see. Damn it, bro. Should we take hint one? I think we have to sort the input on basis of value they give and then select which events to do. So sort the events. So one, 3, 4. Then you have sorted, right? No, no, then you will not know, bro, how to decide which one to pick. You might do a overlap. I think sorting will be done on based on the date only, and then you will need an end day. Now, Saurav already gave us a binary search hint. Now let's me think how we can just apply binary search before I take hint one. Binary search one. Bro, you can ask Taza Khabar, you can ask question. Nitesh Kumar, bro, are you picking these questions randomly from any sheet? Uh, no, bro, I am not called competitive programmer. Nitesh Kumar, no, bro. So you see, this is a rating website, right? You see, these all questions are more than my rating. Even if they would have been 1900, 1800, right? Then also sometimes gets tricky because speed also matters, right? Let me close this from here and then open it here only. Rating. So I am picking problems that are 2000, close to 2000. It could be 1950. So my aim is to solve problems anywhere from 1700 to 20, not 22, 2100. Let's say 2050. This is my aim. Some good problems, not like random problems. Okay. So how can we apply binary search? Now the problem here is that I have I and day and k, right? What is the score, guys? 133, trail by 133. I think India is going to lose this test match. Yes, looks like that. England will take the series, I think, in this one. Feel free to ask any questions, guys, if you have based not DSA questions, specifically interviews and whatnot. That's where I can guide you more. This DSA and live is something for fun. Okay, not looking at the chat now. So you were given the event starts at I and in the day. If you attend this event, you will receive. So let's say I have 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4, 4, 1, 3. And day and start, they both matters. Okay, I'll take hint one, guys. Let's see what happens. Th- This is a useless hint. This we have already done. Sort the events by its start time. That we have already done, bro. What is this, bro? Aditya Newell, if you're in college, then it is important, bro. Yeah, I've been on the career break for 3 years. Was an aspirant. I started doing this. Yes, bro. Karvi Vaku. Yes. Bro, how to check my rating or your rating? My rating you can check by going visiting this. Your rating, you have to give contest. So once you give in contest, then only rating appears. So, bro, this hint is useless. Anyone else is solving this problem with? Can you give a hint in the chat? Hey, Pratik, hello, hello. We're trying to juggle around this problem, bro. Bro, it is above my level also. That's why I'm struggling. If I pick a medium problem, probably medium to easy, then I'll be able to solve it. But there is no fun in doing that. So this first hint is useless. This is like useless hint that we have already done. One, two, two, three, three, four. Now we need to pick. See, the DP will help us because let's say, let's take another hint and then we'll say that, bro, then the second hint I think will reveal the answer. Second, second hint Nitesh Kumar will reveal the answer, bro. See, in this, if this was 10 right, then you could have just taken this 2, 3. That is where DP will help. Shall we just implement the DP and then get a TLE? I think that's also a kind of okay. Tomorrow is okay, nice, bro. Do you have any offers in hand, Pratik? I might, guess you would. The grind starts from. Nice, bro. Chaitanya, no, bro. See, I don't pick up random problems, bro. I always pick up rating problems. So you can see rating problems. I always do that. I don't pick up random problems. But okay, I'm going to go with the TLE solution, guys. It is going to give a TLE, but yeah, what is stopping us? Let's take DP and get a TLE. Yes, TLE is a win, bro. Bro, I'm out of referrals, bro. I cannot. If K is 0, then you return 0. If I is greater than you, then also you return 0. So then again, you have two options. So into option 1, let's say 0. Into option 2 is, let's say, 0. I hope it doesn't, we don't need long here. So now if your uh, end day, like max last day that you have taken, right? Max last day. If last, max last, what would be good name? Uh, Start, let's call it start. If this start is less than equal to, if it is less than, then only equal to events dot I, then you can take this one, right? And then events of I comma 2, events I comma 0, and then you can say, okay, I have solved this. I'll go to next one, k becomes -1, and start becomes your events I comma 1 plus 1, right? And then option 2 is you can just skip it. Your I will increase, k will remain same, start will also remain the same. And then you return math dot max of option 1 and option 2, public integer pp, uh, pp is equal to new integer uh, events dot length plus 1, k plus 1, k will remain k plus 1, let's take here. And then this I'll take. Anyway, this is going to fail, bro. Because see, the max value itself is 10 raised to power 6. This is going to give memory limit, not even tell TLE. This is going to give you memory limit also. 10 raised to power 6. This is going to give you memory limit. Definitely. Events 0, k is k, and start is that you can start with 0 because your start is less than that. If dp of I k start is not equal to null. Bro, tell me a thing if someone a 10 on skills and someone is 7 with bro referral doesn't there is a good chance Dev Patil Gujjar that both one will not get a call. Then that's the first thing. And then referral doesn't mean that they will hire someone with a 7 out of skill. That's not the case. That's not the case, bro. That's not the case. Oh, bro, but I have done this. 4. Option 1. Oh, we didn't sort. Still, it should. Case 2. Uh, You'll be 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4. Right? So here your starts will be event of I plus 1. Or it will just be event of I. Because we are already. If you are making this plus 1, you have to put equal to there. If you are not making, then it will be less. Yeah, now TLE. TLE or memory limit. I will say memory limit. Yes, memory limit. Because this is too big, bro. This is too big to put it in array. Ooh, yes. How can I get rid of this entity? So now in end day, somehow we need to use binary search. Saurav Kapade, you are not there, bro. Where is Gojo? Gojo is not sure, bro. Let's take BP and TLE. We got MLE, bro. So what do you think, Saurav Kapade? Did you solve it? Aditya Neighbors, tell me, for college placement is driver sheet enough for entry level job? Bro, Aditya Unyal, which year do you are in? You're in first year, second year, which year? That is the aim, bro. That so I think I have answered. I am not basically tracking this. How to get off-campus placement? So tier NIT is not tier 3, bro. Chaitam, who said NIT is tier 3? NIT is good college. So you should have good rating. Let's say if you are guardian or you have good rating, right? Then it will increase your chances. So I had set a target of 100 streams, 100 like. Probably if someone is kind enough to like this stream, this motivates them. Then please do us a favor by liking and helping this reach more people. Thank you guys. Time to take the second hint, guys. For every event, you can either choose it or consider the next event, or you can ignore it. You can efficiently find the next event. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it, bro. So basically, here this I is what they're talking about. So here, instead of doing I plus 1, I should find the next available event. Damn it, bro. This could be optimized. Here I could apply binary search. Damn it. Did it few days ago was on. So Chaitanya Senju, what is your lead code rating, bro? Senju, what is your lead code rating? Contest rating. If you solve this question yourself without taking any hint, I think you should apply for internships. You are already at a very good level. So do we need to just optimize this? Then automatically we will find the next K. That is good, bro. 1800 is good. Good, good. Number of questions is okay, but 1800 rating is good. You should get an internship. You have done the hard work. You should apply for internships. Did you solve this question yourself? Nice. Yes, bro, I'm here. So basically, I am not using this thing as of now. Even if I do this, then also it will work. Like the MLE. Yeah. Ranveer Singh, bro, I don't have any idea what do they ask. So you should probably search it on lead code. Like there might be something. Uh, SP role in Infosys. You'll find everything in there, bro. I think you might have already done this, isn't it? Somehow I need to get rid of this, bro. Why am What well done, bro? It didn't work. Abhishek Sharma. Abhishek Sharma, you don't have to call me sir. Chaitanya sent you, don't retract the message, bro. It's okay if you said well done. Abhishek Sharma. Sir, I have a career gap, but how critical is this problem? But bro, you should start applying, bro. Don't think how to prepare for DSA. I have been, bro. I am also out of touch. Dark soon, but you just start, bro. How to prepare for switch? This video will help you. You need to do DSA, HLD, and LLD, everything. This is for you also, Abhishek. Sir. Start applying, bro. Don't worry about But you're saying if you just sort it and then jump through the events using upper bound on the current and given the constraint that some should not exceed it, it can be done using. I'm doing DP only, bro, but I need to get rid of this somehow. Aman, welcome to the stream. So if you are new, try to read this blue things about me. If you have any questions, I would be happy to help. Bro, Saurav Kapade, I'm not sure. Why do you care, bro? What does your friend think? Should not care at all. Chaitanya, I sent you. What did you do, bro? How did you get rid of this? How did you manage this, bro? 10 raised to power 1. The value thing. Oh, this is the value. But the events dot length star is 10 raised to power 6. Then why I am making this thing as this is just the calendar. Yeah, icon. Yes, this is icon has answered Saurav Kapade's question. Is that correct, icon? Respect plus plus icon. You have you are good. And you should start loving it, bro. So you are saying that we don't need this. Why do I even kept it there? Value, we don't really need it, no? But that is the start of it, right? Event and K. Start day and end day is 10 raised to power 9. Bro, I don't. Okay. I think I have chosen wrong parameters for the this thing. What has Abhishek Sharma asked? In America, people don't ask, they ask median coming to India due to population. They Yes, yes, that is true, Abhishek Sharma. That is true. I agree with your point. Ajay, yes, I can review your resume, bro. Drop me on LinkedIn. I'll review it today itself in the stream. Bro, I don't do vector and all. I use Java, bro. In Java, there is no vector. Oh, damn it, bro. I should just increase. I need to know the next index, right? Oh, I don't need this next. I got confused with what is the start. So if I take that element, I just use that events of I and then go to next using this, isn't it? Yes, you're right, bro, but it's just lack of practice, I think. Using binary search is what I want to do. Don't want to go to the tree, but you're right. Oh my, something is wrong, bro. Why is this binary search not? So this is the target. I need next element to have sorted based on what? Damn it, I have removed the sorting itself. Oh my god. When did I remove this sorting? Yeah, binary search. Let's see. Damn it, bro. It was not the binary search. It was this thing. I removed sorting itself. It was not sorted array. So how doesn't matter how many times you apply binary search. Why did I remove sorting? But I had sorting in this solution, right? I had this sorting. When did I end up removing it? I'll probably stream watch my stream again to see when did I remove it. Maybe I was saying something. It was not the binary search. I had removed the sorting itself. Now let me see. I was trying another way of binary search. I thought maybe that was the issue. I minus low by 2. Yeah, still there was this removed. And I was trying another variation of binary search. Let me see why that was not working. Mid is equal to high minus. So this will again be 2 high minus high plus this is same only. Let me try that. But what difference does that make? No difference. Yeah, I get it, I think. So if I keep this within minus 1, right, it will never reach this thing. It will always play around with that. So I think let me try one thing. Damn it, this also doesn't work. Do high is equal to mid minus 1. So let me get rid of this binary search itself. I'll use my brain only now. See, you have some event, you have a target. You just need to find a number just greater than that, right? If it is same, then that doesn't make sense. So I need something that is just greater. It's a very simple binary search. And let's call this events. And then you have a target, right? So let's say in the worst case scenario, we don't get anything. So in that case, we'll say that there is no number in that. So that means that all the numbers in the events are greater than target, right? That's why we are not able to find anything that is just greater than this event. But why we are not using I? That is something that is confusing me. Okay, bro, I think I need to give up, bro. Do I, well, bro, I need a resource to study DS in Java. Do you have any resource? Bro, I did a Udemy course back then at my time. But nowadays, I think if you search on YouTube, I heard that some people have Java, DSA in Java. This course, I have heard a lot of things of this guy. So probably you can follow this one. Try watching this one or two videos if you find it helpful. Then you can use it. Just need to change the unable to paste the binary search template code makes it very easy all the time. Yeah, bro, I think it's just a lack of practice, but I don't want to do it in the opposite way that I did. I don't like that way. I like this way. Is this not a graph problem? Might be solvable via graph also. I'm not using graph. DP was more straightforward. So see, when I am at this event ij, then from the leftover range, I need to find an index. It is sorted. So leftover range is sorted. So it is something like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So in that range, I need to find an index such that it's this number is just greater than that. Like a just greater key, right? So I go here and then see that okay, this target, this number, oh, the event should be just greater, right? The events.I is just greater, so then this is a valid candidate. This will also not work, I think. It's again going to give TLE. Oh damn it, why it is giving TLE? Naveen, thank you for what, bro? Did I answer something? Okay, guys, I'll probably think about this offline. Really, it messed my brain. That binary, something is wrong. So you have low and high. In this, you are saying that if events of mid is less than zero target, then you cannot take it because you only need value that is greater than target. Let's go, guys. Finally, yeah, I was messing it up. So here we know that, okay, this is a validated and I want to go to left, right? So high should be mid minus 1, right? Because we have to go to left. Now here we have found that, okay, this is left, so we have to go to right side. Damn it. I might have solved binary search like 200 times, but still it is messed it up. Shreya Shirvadekar. Yes, bro, I can explain. At least that's what I can do for all the people who are watching. So basically, it's a previous, we just solved this problem. Before this, if you're wondering, right, we solved this problem. Maximum number of events that can be trended, right? So one thing is definitely sure that you need to sort the meetings or the events by start time, right? Now, once you do that, so then you have two options. Either you could pick the current event or you could solve the next event, right? Now, a brute force way of doing this is that once you solve this, you can just do I plus 1 here, right? That's like a brute force way of it. Now, optimal way is that because you have already sorted your elements, then try to find which element is just greater than this, like which meeting is just starting after this. So here what we are doing is this target is our thing and this meeting is starting just after the target. Now, so this is good. Now I have to find something smaller. This is like a dumbest mistake of all time. This is like craziest. I was trying to do mid. That's crazy mistake. That tells how much I have to learn now again. This target is greater than events mid. Now try to find smaller. So I'm going to right side. Need to go to the left side, right? So if you have to go to the left side, you reduce the binary. That's like the silliest mistake of all time. Cool, but 8:15 भाई अभी हिम्मत ही नहीं बची भाई कहाँ से करें 2 घंटे तो लग गए इस प्रॉब्लम को टिक 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 टिक. So this I have not answered so many questions, but if anyone is watching, if anyone has any questions, they can feel free to ask questions. Bro, the DSA difficulty level in interviews was similar to this problem or higher or lower? This problem is easy, bro. I just messed up this thing. This is like a stupid thing that I messed up. Like if I was regularly doing and also with live stream and all, I would have not messed this up. I would say depends on the company, right? So in companies like Uber, you will get a problem at this level. And Atlassian and Nutanix. In Flipkart, you will get little bit easier, like scene, like multi-level BFS. If you have not seen multi-level BFS, then it's hard to crack in the interview. You should know at least the pattern. And what other companies I did the so there was this company 5 Train Hard. So Fivetran was similar, exactly this problem, similar to this problem. Uh, I had to apply binary search in there also. This is like a silliest mistake. You have to find a smaller, so you go left, right. Don't go right. Yeah. This problem is around 2000 rated. So yes, the problems would be asked around depending on the company, right? Yes, this takes n square or log n. So log n is very small and n square they have already given, that is 10 raised to power 6. Log, so that's why it comes under 10 raised to power 7. Garvit Arora, I am so broken, I am almost second year. Bro, you yourself have answered your question. Garvit Arora, don't compare, bro. In the end, everyone it's going to be in the same race only. Yes, that is very true. Today's 2000, I think so. Rating is independent of whether it is difficult or hard, right? Isn't it? If you pick latest 2000 rated problems, isn't I don't know the metrics on which these ratings are, but there is some ELO concept which I am not sure of. But I would say, so how do we need to hmm, rating website URL I pasted in chat. If anyone is coming new, guys, don't forget to like this. It helps in reaching the channel to other people who might find this helpful. So please feel free to hit the like if you like it. So do we need to have a good profile resume to get selected? Is not getting selected for resume. Adar Pandey, yes, if you have a good profile, it definitely helps, but you don't really need to stuck on ratings. You can go apply directly. It's the numbers game nowadays. You need to apply to more openings. It's just the number game. YNR, I am back. Welcome back. Answer my query. Mohit, I am front-end developer fresher. Am I looking for a job but not getting views or no? Bro, you need to know DSA, Mohit. If you are applying for SD roles, then that's the only way. And also, you have a career gap. So, like, software engineer roles is something that I know. Front-end developer specifically, you can try applying to different companies and see. But again, I said it's a number game, guys. So apply to more openings, there are more chances. If you apply to 10 companies in month, then there are less chances you'll get a call back. So I'll take up questions now and then we'll uh, make this, then I end this stream. So now I'll be taking questions only. See, Garvit bro, you had fun for last 2 months. Now you can start preparing, bro. Don't compare yourself with others. Yo, yo, bye, bro. Take care. Thank you. Mm, You, yes, I'm good at DSA. I'm struggling to get a job since I. How many openings did you apply to, Mohit, in 1 year? Shreya Shrivika, I have my own campus plan. So, Shreya Shirvakar, make sure that you have done revision of this. Can you tell the secret to get? Bro, how would I know the secret, bro? I am not a genie. How do we spell genie? Mehul Kumar Singh. This I have heard this is good, bro. I personally don't have watched, but I have seen his bit mask or bit manipulation. So, but don't get demotivated, guys. So my aim for this stream was to get 100 likes, but we are at 57. Not sure if 300 openings in 1 year is very less, bro. 300 openings in 1 year is like you are applying to one opening within a day. That's very less. You should apply to at least 5 to 7 per day. If you guys are watching, don't miss to hit this like button, guys. It helps in sending the channel to other people, right? Because I don't myself promote it anywhere. You guys are means of my promotion. So just like it so that it can reach other people like you. Hi, bro. I've solved quite few questions around 500, but still don't feel confident. New questions still feels like random. Then also it is less, Mohit. If you apply 10 in a day, then you'll get like 300 within a month. Apply to more openings. So for the remaining year, target 1,000 openings. Aman Kumar, Ritik Gaur, hi bro, I solved quite good. Bro, I would say that always solve problems using this website because so you might pick a random problem which is really hard, right? So that's the reason you'll not be able to solve that. That's the only thing that's preventing you from becoming good. Mohit, see, now you have not asked for a referral, so you should always start with something like this. Hi, and your name, like his name, IXYZ. I think I shared this. You could also ask ChatGPT. It will just give you a tell little bit about yourself, like uh, I am Mohit, currently pursuing things like this, and always attach job ID and then uh, your resume. These two things are must, and then always thank the person. Something like this should be there. Garvit Arora, how to use this website. So in this website, bro, every problem is rated, right? So if you do this thing, you will see these are really easy problems. So you start from easy and then you achieve to hit the end. That is how you use this. Bro, Mern versus Java Spring. If you're beginner, like in college, Mern is good, but production level code is written usually in Java. So I would say Java Spring Boot. Hey, can anyone maintain this counter for me, bro? I've answered two questions. Please paste the website link. I have pasted, bro. The DA, this is one, right? I pasted in the chat. Could you suggest me what to do, Aman Kumar? My placement is going. I still don't have good projects and still I don't have. No, no, bro. See, Aman Kumar, if your projects are copied, make sure you understand everything that you have written there. It could be a to-do application. It could to-do is a very basic thing. It could be a clone of e-commerce website, right? Things like that. But make sure that you understand it properly, Aman Kumar. Could you suggest me what should I do? Yes, I've suggested. Hey, any suggestions for third year CSAI Parveen Arlo apply for internships, bro? That is my suggestion. Bro, can I really switch to SD to start on level from working in a. Yes, bro, you can switch to SD1, bro. YNR. Just do DSA and LLD and HLD. By how to store negative index in array like. I don't know, bro, how you are saying. Maybe you can make plus 100 of that. SD1 platform engineer. No idea, bro. I've never been in that role. You will not get. It's a number game, Saurabh Kapade. You apply to more openings, there are chances of you getting more calls. Ritik or yes, solve 150 and then solve problems on this site and then give contests and then apply. Yes. I don't think we will get 100 likes in this call at least. So likes are at 60 and it's already 2. So I'm going to end this stream, guys. Mohit, how to? By solving problems based on the rating, bro. By taking participate in lead code contests. I do DSA as a hobby, bro. That's why do you see me here. And I watch Netflix sometimes. Mohit, you have to take participate in lead code contest, bro, and then just watch this video once. This will uh, help you. Like in this video, I have talked about all about the intuitions and whatnot. Everything I've mentioned, how to get intuition, whatnot, and this one. Yes, Ajay, I'll do that right now. I was waiting for your comment. I thought you were not online. Bro, I think I had asked you, Ajay, to change your format, bro, but you have still not changed. So, other than that, your project looks okay, bro, but you need to change your format. And you need to start applying for internship. Yes, bro. It's not about being bad, bro. It's about which format is recommended. So that's what I would recommend. If you have to take advice from me, then that's what I would recommend. That's what my friends have. That's what people from IIT mostly have. So I would suggest you use that format. But you still haven't changed the format, so then there is no point of reviewing. Devansh, go and have Walmart interview next day. All the best, bro. Hope you make it. Uh, Everyone, if you want me to review your format, so I would really suggest you that make sure your resume is in this template. This is the best template. Okay, cool guys. Bye everyone. Thank you. Take care.